Speed Bullet. From the outside, Miss Bobon. Down on the inside is Jade and Diamond to grab the lead. Jade and Diamond, Miss Bobon, Madame Composita. Racing from the outside for Speed Bullet, Banknet. Let's reconcile alongside, fast forward, my lucky one. Devil Rising. In between runners is Gold Asian, and running by the Ralco Reception, Ravishing Ravi second last, and Incorruptible is running in 13th. Jade and Diamond, the favorite. By some 2 lengths, followed by Miss Bobon. Speed Bullet is racing into rushing up. Let's reconcile and fast forward alongside Madame Composita, my Lakwan Devil Rising, as they swing for home. The favorite Jade and Diamond still setting the pace by some 4 lengths, and on the outside, Speed Bullet fast forward. Let's reconcile, my Lakwan Devil Rising, and hitting the finish line. It's still Jade and Diamond. And finally, from start to finish, the favorite Jade and Diamond. Speed Bullet, fast forward, my lucky one. Let's reconcile, and for your Super Sais, Devil Rising.